Using an Expedia virtual credit card is a convenient and secure way to make travel bookings online. To get started, you need to have an Expedia account and access to the Expedia website or mobile app. First, log into your Expedia account and navigate to the payment section. Look for the option to use a virtual credit card and select it. You will be prompted to create a new virtual credit card or use an existing one if you have created it before. To create a new virtual credit card, you will need to provide your real credit card details. These details will be used to fund your virtual credit card. The virtual credit card will have its own unique card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your virtual credit card is created, you can use it to make travel bookings on Expedia. Simply enter the virtual credit card details at checkout, just like you would with a regular credit card. One of the key benefits of using an Expedia virtual credit card is added security. Since the virtual credit card is not linked to your real credit card account, you are protected in case of unauthorized transactions. Another benefit is that you can set a specific budget for your virtual credit card. This can help you stick to your travel budget and avoid overspending. When using an Expedia virtual credit card, make sure to keep track of the expiration date and available balance. You can check these details in your Expedia account or by contacting Expedia customer support. In case you encounter any issues with your virtual credit card, you can contact Expedia customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any problems and provide guidance on how to use your virtual credit card. In summary, using an Expedia virtual credit card is a secure and convenient way to make travel bookings online. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits of virtual credit cards and have a smooth and hassle-free travel booking experience.